Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is Caleb from Unrivaled Farms bringing you plant introduction vlog number 1. Now in this video I will be showing you all of my plants and everything in 4K. I'm using my Samsung if you want to know, but anyways, these are my plants. I cannot tell you the names of my plants for security reasons, but other than that, we're gonna just tell you how they're all doing. So this one is a plant in the rose family, but I'm not gonna give you the exact name. Most of these plants are from the rose family, and yeah, I just watered it today. The leaves are looking great. The new growth is looking great, as you can see, and yeah, it's just like a stick and like 2 other sticks. So yeah, and this guy looks really nice. Like this guy is looking green, but it's to describe the leaves, if you touch it, it's very like cardboardy. Like it tastes like, not taste, but like feels like cardboard. Like the leaves, if you touch it softly, it feels like cardboard. So not the new growth. The new growth actually feels kind of softer, but it still feels like cardboard. So. And then this guy is the same as this one, but it just feels a little bit more spiky than this one. This one is way more spiky. It's a more spiky variety, as you can see. This guy is I'm gonna tell you this guy because this one is kind of obvious. I'm gonna tell you the name of this one. It's a lemon tree. But it's about 3 months old and it's doing pretty good. It just has a little bit of yellowing in the bottom, but so I might have to water it today. And yeah. So this is basically just a stick. I don't really want to talk about it. What happened to this guy is I sprayed it because there was a lot of infestations. Like there was like bugs all over it. So what I did is I sprayed it, but I wasn't supposed to spray it when the lights was on. So yeah, I basically burned the leaves. So I have to wait now and see if it'll come back. Other than that, it's pretty good. Like this thing was growing super fast, this thing. So yeah. And this is I'm gonna give this one away. I think this one was a Japanese cherry. I'm pretty sure this is a Japanese cherry. And I'm trying to think of what else I have. This is a special thing that I found in the wild. It's a natural hybrid, I think. So yeah. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. These things are really dead and just sticks, so I'm not gonna talk about them. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and anything like or dislike if you want. Like, if you don't like the video, just comment and tell me why you didn't like the video. Comment if you did like my video. Tell me, give me suggestions on what I should do. Unrivaled Farms is a company specializing in hybrids and stuff. So like we only make hybrid fruits and vegetables and all edible stuff. And maybe eventually we'll move on to flowers and stuff, but I doubt it. So yeah, we're gonna make more videos about making hybrids and plant breeding and stuff like that. But for now, we're just gonna do this video and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.